Rahul sir, Rahul sir, can you go that side? Sir.
Keeping your watch.
The time has come for which every entrepreneur dreams to do. The time to ring the gong. I request Mr. Nishan Mahim Tura to come forward and ring the gong.
दीपक सर ये हाँ तो आप निकाल लेना आप वाले से
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
राहुल सर कितने के लिए करेंगे सर एक हाथ लगे फोटो ले लीजिए अरे यार सर बेल पे आते हैं हाँ राइट या थैंक यू
Design started its journey on November 10, 2004. Libas is engaged in the process of fabrication of fabrics into apparels and other customized products. They implement a traditional bespoke process with a modern day approach. Apart from retail sales, they also undertake wholesale business where they provide their designs to other labels. They also give complete solutions to corporates for their dressing and designing needs. The company markets its products under the brand name of Libas Riaz Ganji with more than 80 Indian and international designers and have an inventory of more than 500 designer wear to choose. Currently, they have 8 stores of their own and on franchisee basis. For e-retailing their products, they have tie-up with major e-commerce player portals such as Jabong, IndianRoots.com and have their own portal in the name of www.libasfashion.com. The Go Green certificate. I welcome Ms. Reshma Ganji, promoter and managing director of Libas Design Limited. I request Mr. Riaz Ganji to speak few words about the company and express his views on the listing.
And thank you everybody for coming over here. And this has been my dream, which has come true. And I should I want to thank my mother, my father, and everybody connected to this. My father-in-law, my mother-in-law, with whose little investment this company started after my marriage. My father-in-law was the first person who actually dreamt with me, along with me. And funded Libas with the initial 2 lakh rupees in 1995. And my wife, she worked very hard along my side for the last, I mean, it looks like yesterday actually. It was not so difficult. But, everybody has seen us growing from one store to a number of other stores now across the country. And I wish we grow the same way. My staff, Mamta, she has been very helpful. There have been a lot of people contributed to this, including Mr. Anand, a first friend of mine, a banker friend, who actually guided me how to go about getting loans and growing the company. My chairman, Nishan Mahitura, who's actually dreamt with me, along with me actually, and invested 50% in my company when I had, actually nobody trusted me that time because I was a very young lad. And people thought I just, was thinking too big and hoga ke nahi hoga. But these are the few people I cannot, I cannot miss because whatever success today Libas is all because of these people. And I have just worked hard because I'm used to working hard, and everything followed because the intentions were right. And the same way we would grow, we would keep on growing, and we would see that none of the investors are ever let down. We will see that we work hard and see that the returns are there for everybody to enjoy, and see the successful Libas again, and hopefully in more exchanges around the world. Thank you.
The board of directors, the officials of NSE, SEBI officials, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank Sarthi, Mr. Deepak Sharma, and the company. I'd like to thank market makers, choice marketeers, choice equity, as well as I'd like to thank Big Share for being part of this event in helping us to come up to this stage where we are. We are thankful to many of our clients who have appreciated our work, and very especially Riaz and Reshma's hard work and their various designs. And we look forward to a lot more support in future. Our staff members, Mamta Kapoor, in accounts, Suresh Tiwari, and many others. Mr. Junjunwala, he has been very kind and very supportive in promoting our brand and in every event. So I thank many of you. We have a lot more responsibility now that we are listed, and we look forward, and I'm sure that my team with Riaz and Reshma and the whole team of Libas will come up to everyone's expectation, and we hope to give you very good returns in coming times. Thank you.
Mrs. Ganji, Mr. Mahindra, Mr. Sharma, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. It's always been a pleasure to welcome a new company onto NSE board, and particularly if it's a SME, it's that much more pleasant for us. Over the last couple of years, we have been seeing significant amount of listings happening in SME exchange, and now we have crossed 50. I think this is 55th company. I'm sure Mr. Riaz has really grown the company over the last 2 decades. And I'm sure with the addition of new investors who are joining this company today, and have already seen a decent listing with more than 5% increase from the price at which the issue was done. I'm sure most of the shareholders would be looking forward to great effort from the company. And I'm sure Mr. Riaz, with the able assistance of his staff out here, will be able to meet those expectations and grow the company. And we would like to really see these kind of companies to come onto the main board after their growth phase, and then reach higher standards which they have set for themselves. I congratulate the company and offer best wishes to the company for their growth. Thank you very much.
I request to the banker to the issue, yes.
trophy to Mishra sir. For us day and night. Thank you so much, Vishwaji.
Yes, right.
Sumit Gupta has been the most important person to drive us to think big, actually, and I really appreciate, and his thoughts actually brought me to this world of stocks and the market. I mean, actually I could understand designing, but business-wise, the brains which have made me do all this is his, and I really appreciate and thank him for this.
To the merchant bankers,
Ravi ji and all here participants and attendees, a very good morning. As a Sarthi, this is our 34th listing on any SAP platforms, and it has been our endeavor to bring the scalable, right businesses to the capital market. And listing on capital market is just like, opening a bank account. The businesses for raising debt has been dealing with the banks, and whenever they require debt, so bank is there for their support. How about capital as a resource? I think Riaz Bhai and team has opened their account in capital markets today. And I think as the business grows, and whenever there is a requirement of the capital, I think the same investors will be ready to trust in and to load in with more money. Libas, as a business, just few words. I think India as a brand equity has grown over a period of time. Our Indian products, Indian people, Indian businesses, all are internationally accepted. There is a credibility, there is a acceptance. When international brands like Vuitton or others, they're coming in India and selling their products to the elite or maybe the upper middle class, why not Indian products internationally? I think Libas is just the beginning, and not in India. Internationally there is a huge scope, not only for the formal clothing, even for Indian ethnic wearing. Already Libas has been in Dubai. The other areas, maybe West Side, US, Canada, Singapore, why not? Of the products which Libas has been catering. So I have a very strong opinion on this business that it is not limited to geographical limitations within India. I think there is a huge scope internationally, one. Two, marriages, Indian marriages, where the Libas has been positioned themselves in a very unique position, is a great space. And third is the rising interest and the collection of Bollywood. So there has been a time when 100 crore movie used to be clapped and applauded, but today the mark and the bar has been raised. Any movie coming and getting 100 crore has become just like that. Now, good movies are thriving for even 500 crore mark, and so do Libas is uniquely positioned. Good collection, good budget, good revenue for Libas. So I think these are the three places which I personally feel that Libas has a long way to go, and the way he will go long, so do the investors' money will go long. And that's what my interest is. Listing today has made him visible across globe. Out of more than 4 crore registered companies in India, there are hardly 5,800 companies listed in India. So it's an allied group being listed. And you are not visible here, you are visible internationally. And while being listed and growing, it gives a lot of attention of the investors to those businesses. And that's what we mean. Being listed to Riaz for the next 3 years, we have been keeping very focused eyes on his business, on his compliances, in the interest of investors. With this, I thank you, all of you, for being with us today, and congratulate Team Libas for this lifetime achievement. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sir, wait. Take my.
Well, Libas, Riaz Ganji, Rishma Ganji, the brand, which you've been hearing about इतने सालों से आप जो सुन रहे हो, आज हमने फाइनली नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पे लिस्ट कर दिया हमारी कंपनी को. और इन्वेस्टर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आई वुड से कि बेसिकली आज 68 रुपीज़ में हमारी लिस्टिंग हुई है. और अभी आज से हम एक लिस्टेड एंटरप्राइज कहलाएंगे. इंडिया की 5,800 कंपनीज लिस्टेड है, उनमें से एक हो जाएगी लिबास भी. और इसके अलावा बहुत खुशी की बात है, और जो चीज़ हम लोग बना रहे थे, बेच रहे थे आज तक, अब ये चीज़ों में एक इसकी क्या बोलते हैं, मुनाफा जो है वो एक पब्लिक को भी मिलेगा. और काफ़ी ग्रोथ प्लान्स हैं हमारे लिबास को लेकर. वी आर थिंकिंग ऑफ ओपनिंग स्टोर्स पूरी कंट्री में हर जगह हम सोच रहे हैं लिबास का स्टोर खोलने के लिए, क्योंकि काफ़ी पॉपुलर हो गया ब्रांड और बहुत लोगों को एक्सेस नहीं है जो बॉम्बे में रहते नहीं है, जो मेन सिटीज़ में रहते नहीं है। तो हम आपकी सिटी में भी आएंगे, आपके यहाँ पर स्टोर्स खोलेंगे, आपकी शादी में हम बाराती बंद करके आएंगे एक्चुअली। दैट इज़ अ प्लान।
तो व्हाट इज़ द प्लान रिगार्डिंग नेक्स्ट 2 year 3 year रिगार्डिंग सेल्स रिलेटेड?
देखिए, सेल्स रिलेटेड ये है कि अगले 2 साल में आपको लिबास की जो स्टोर्स है वो, जैसे अभी ऑलरेडी हम लोग दुबई में हैं, वी आर देयर इन पुणे, वी आर देयर इन मुंबई, वी आर देयर इन लुधियाना, अभी हम दिल्ली में ये महीने में लॉन्च कर रहे हैं लिबास, रायपुर में लॉन्च कर रहे हैं। तो वैसे काफ़ी सारी सिटीज़ का प्लान्स है जहाँ पर लिबास अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है, लेकिन खाली लोग देखते हैं पिक्चर्स में, मूवीज़ में, तो वो लोगों को इंटरेस्ट है हमारी चीज़ें ख़रीदने का, लेकिन हम एक्सेस नहीं दे पा रहे हैं उनको, तो वो हम उनके सिटीज़ में आके स्टोर खोलने का हमारा प्लान है।
Regarding digitals related, are you tied up with the Flipkart anymore?
Yeah, we have tied up with other companies which are selling exclusive products, but हम ज़्यादा डाइल्यूट नहीं करना चाहते ऑनलाइन। हमारा प्लान और फोकस ये है कि हमारी ऑफलाइन स्टोर्स हो और लोग शादी के कपड़े ज़्यादा फील करके और पहन कर ट्राई करके लेना चाहते हैं, तो वी वांट दैट टू हैपन।
वी वांट टू गिव एवरीवन द एक्सपीरियंस कि आप
हमारे चेयरमैन निशान महिंद्रा भी कुछ बोलेंगे।
Will you bring any IPOs in futures regarding?
या वी आर प्लानिंग, अभी तो हमारा पहला ये लिस्टिंग है, IPO NSE में हमने लॉन्च किया है। फ्यूचर प्लान्स बहुत सारे हैं, लेकिन अभी फ़िलहाल कंसंट्रेशन बिजनेस पे रहेगा। जो पैसे हमारे पास अभी इकट्ठा हुए हैं वो पैसे को हम बराबर से इन्वेस्ट करके, या वी हैव टू बिल्ड दैट मनी फर्स्ट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट प्लानिंग फॉर अदर थिंग्स। हम एक फेज पहले कंप्लीट करेंगे बिफोर वी टॉक अबाउट द अदर वन।
Regarding any of the endorsement related Bollywood celebrity will be?
Yeah, Bollywood celebrities have always been there. राणा दुग्गवती को हमने साइन किया था. There were other celebrities before whom we had signed. So अभी प्लान है to get a new face on board. Hopefully, besides that आप देखें तो काफ़ी सारी पिक्चर्स में हम काम कर रहे हैं जो एक तरह का एंडोर्समेंट ही होता है, जैसे कि वेलकम बैक हमने की थी, उसमें सारे कपड़े हमने जॉन अब्राहम से लेके नाना पाटेकर, अनिल कपूर, काफ़ी लोगों के हमने बनाए थे कपड़े, पूरे के पूरे सॉन्ग सीक्वेंसेस हमने किए थे। तो वैसे हमारा प्लान्स है और भी पिक्चर के साथ में टाई अप करना। वी आर डूइंग मूवीज़ तो करते ही है, दैट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर बिजनेस।
How is helping you, ma'am? You are so
Well, I'm taking I mean, I take on the designing end of it, and he does the marketing and the business management end of it. But yeah, it's been it's easy to, अगर दो लोग एक दूसरे से बात कर सकें तो it becomes a little easier. जो भी issues होती हैं, कोई doubts होता है, कोई opinions होते हैं. I mean, we are like 3 of us actually. So,
as a team.
Yeah, as a team, it helps to have more than one head working.
So what is your plan regarding?
I'm basically in planning. The way it's growing, the way it is Riyaz's and Reshma's thought and hard work. What I do is to be able to encourage them when it's required or correct them whenever we feel that this is not what we would be doing. So we keep our values, at a very high standards. We want to continue doing that always.
कंपनी लिस्टिंग हुई है, मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम आप स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में उसका नाम देखेंगे, तो डेफिनेटली ये बॉलीवुड तो नहीं है, बट इट इज़, इफ़ बॉलीवुड इज़ एंटरिंग दिस थिंग फ्रॉम व्हाटएवर एंड, मतलब आप रियाज गांगजी के थ्रू आए या किसी और चीज़ के थ्रू आए, बट एक तरह से ये बॉलीवुड की एंट्री हुई नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में, तो डेफिनेटली इट्स गोइंग टू गो बिग, बिकॉज आजकल इतनी अच्छी अच्छी मूवीज़ और इतनी अच्छी चीज़ें हो रही हैं बॉलीवुड में और नई चीज़ें हो रही हैं इंडिया में. सो डेफिनेटली आई विश, आई होप कि ये बहुत आगे जाए, एंड आई विश बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू देम, टू लिबास एंड टीम, and I hope to see more Bollywood companies or private sectors to come in the National Stock Exchange. Thank you.
In the eve of New Year, the molestation took place. What is your opinion on this?
It starts at home. So, अगर आप लड़के को ये सिखा रहे हैं कि बेटा देखो तो जो करना है वो बिंदास तो कर, और लड़की को ये सिखा रहे हैं कि बेटी तू 8 बजे से पहले घर पे आ जा, तो डेफिनेटली थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू गो इन द अदर डायरेक्शन. बट अगर हम लड़कों को कहे कि बेटा तू 8 बजे आ जा, और लड़की को है बेटी तू देखो जो करना है बिंदास एकदम रात के 2 बजे तक जो करना है कर, तो थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू डेफिनेटली चेंज. सो एवरीथिंग बिगिंस फ्रॉम होम. सो स्टार्ट टीचिंग योर सन how to behave, and not to teach your daughter like behave properly, dress properly. Why should girls be taught कि क्या पहनो क्या नहीं पहनो, क्या करो क्या नहीं करो, क्यों?
I came only for Riyaz and Reshma, and for Libas. I've known Riaz for many years, and Libas and he have stood always behind me, well wished for me. Amazing clothes, amazing concept, and Riaz has always had a huge vision, you know, of where he's wanted to take the brand Libas. And I think for all those numbers of years, you know, like the 2 decades that he's been working hard, today it's the first step of taking it to another level altogether. And I think it's a very well planned, very well structured way of going, you know, rather than depending on perhaps an independent financier or something like that to be listed. I think that gives a very credible structure to the company. It gives a very credible name to the brand, you know, and when you look at international brands, when they're listed, there's a huge credibility that comes to it. So I really want to wish Riaz and Reshma all the very best. I know their team because I visit their stores quite often, and I think that they should do very well. Riaz has always been very focused about what he does. So I know it's a brand that's going to do very well. I, for one, am a fan of that brand, and I'll continue wearing their clothes. I think they're going to do wonders. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.